Good morning, everyone. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network coming at you from beautiful Southern California. What we have here is really a nice offering today. These are NOS, new old stock. In other words, they were never employed or used, but these were basically ads, cardboard ads for cooking utensils, pie tins and things like that. So if you are into vintage advertising or have some type of retail operation where these would make for nice artwork, this might be for you, but they're all in great shape. Nice, I'll give you the dimensions in the listing itself. But if you are into vintage advertising or have, again, some type of retail operation where these would make nice artwork, let me know.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.